Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment and share.
In this video, I am going to discuss on how to construct an analytic function in polar form if the addition of two real part and imaginary part is given. Okay, that is, if f of z is equal to u plus u or v r theta and v r theta plus I into v r theta is analytic function, and given that u plus v is equal to 1 by r square cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta, where r is not equal to 0, then determine the analytic function. Okay, first of all, omega equal to f of z is analytic function. Is an analytic function they are given. Okay, then it is differentiable. If it is differentiable, then the derivative exists. What type of derivative exists then? Then f dash of z is equal to, I can write 1 by e to the power I theta into dou u by dou r plus I into dou v by dou r. From this, f dash of z is equal to d f of z divided by dz. From this one, I can find out the f of z. But separately, I cannot know, I don't know what is u, dou u by dou r and dou v by dou r. This one I have to calculate. To find out them, I will use this one. Okay. Now consider u plus v is equal to 1 by r square into cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta. Call this as equation number 2. Let me differentiate this one partially with respect to r as well as with respect to theta. Okay, now differentiating 2 partially with respect to r first. Then I am going to get dou u by dou r plus dou v by dou r is equal to differentiate partially with respect to r only. Okay, then for 1 by r square partial differentiation with respect to r will be, okay, that is 1 by r square differentiation partial with respect to r will become minus 2. If it is to the numerator, minus 2 r to the power minus 2 minus 1, and this is constant because partially with respect to r we are differentiating. Cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta, or which is equal to, I can write as minus 2 divided by r cube into cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta is my dou u by dou r plus dou v by dou r. Okay, let me call this as equation number 3 now. Like that, I have to differentiate 2 partially with respect to theta now. Okay, differentiating 2 partially with respect to theta, that I will get dou u by dou theta plus dou v by dou theta is equal to, because u and v are the functions of both r and theta. Then 1 by r square is constant here. 1 by r square is constant. Then differentiation of cos 2 theta with respect to theta will become minus 2 times sin 2 theta, and minus differentiation of sin 2 theta will become minus, already there, 2 times sin will become cos 2 theta. Okay, but I want to find out the dou u by dou r and dou v by dou r. Okay, here I am having a dou u by dou r, dou v by dou r, but here I am having a dou u by dou theta and dou v by dou theta. Okay, therefore I can convert this dou u by dou theta and dou v by dou theta in terms of dou u by dou r using the CR equations. Let me call this equation number 4. By CR equations, I can write dou u by dou r is equal to 1 by r into dou v by dou theta, and dou v by dou r is equal to minus 1 by r dou u by dou theta. Therefore, I can write dou v by dou theta equal to r into dou u by dou r, and dou u by dou theta can be replaced by minus r into dou v by dou r. Therefore, my equation 4 becomes, I have to substitute these CR equations in equation number 4. Therefore, equation 4 becomes, what it will become? Dou u by dou theta. Dou u by dou theta is minus r into dou v by dou r plus dou v by dou theta is nothing but r into, correct? It is nothing but r into dou v by dou u by dou r, okay, which is equal to, right hand side will remain the same, and from this right hand side I will take minus 2 common. Minus 2 divided by r square into cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta I can write. Now to simplify this one, let me take this r on the other side and I can write it as dou u by dou r minus dou v by dou r is equal to minus 2 by r cube. R is taken common, shifted to other side. R cube into cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta. Okay, this equation I will call it as now equation number 5. Now you can check equation number 3 is dou u by dou r plus dou v by dou r minus 2 times of this one, and dou u by dou r minus this one. Okay, now from equation number 3 and 5 I can find out dou u by dou r and dou v by dou r by adding and subtracting. Okay, next I will do addition of equation number 3 and equation number 5 and subtraction of equation 3 and 5. Now equation number 3 plus equation number 5 will lead to dou u by dou r plus dou v by dou r is equal to minus 2 by r cube into cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta. Okay, similarly equation number 5 is nothing but dou u by dou r minus dou v by dou r is equal to minus 2 by r cube into cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta is there. Therefore, adding these two, while adding no sign will change, therefore dou v by dou r cancels, 2 times dou u by dou r is equal to, this is common, constant, minus 2 by r cube is common, constant, and then here minus sin theta cancels, this is again 2 times cos 2 theta. Therefore one of the two cancels, therefore dou u by dou r will remain with us, correct? Therefore dou u by dou r is equal to minus 2 by r cube into cos 2 theta. Similarly I have to find out dou v by dou r. To find out them, I will subtract these two equation number 3 and 5. Therefore equation 3 minus 5, I will get dou u by dou r plus dou v by dou r. Okay, to avoid confusion I will expand this, I will multiply this term inside, that I will get minus 2 by r cube into cos 2 theta plus 2 by r cube into sin 2 theta, and here dou u by dou r minus dou v by dou r, equation number 5, is equal to, again this one I will multiply inside, that is minus 2 by r cube into cos 2 theta minus 2 by r cube into sin 2 theta. To avoid the confusion I am multiply that inside, that's all. Now I have to subtract. While subtracting the signs will change, this will become plus, this also will become plus, then dou u by dou r cancels, this will become 2 times dou v by dou r is equal to, okay, and here minus 2 by r cube cos theta, this will cancel and it will become 4 by, correct, 4 by r cube into sin 2 theta, and one of these two cancels, therefore dou v by dou r is equal to 2 by r cube sin 2 theta. This is dou v by dou r. These two equations are to substitute in equation number 1. Therefore equation 1 becomes, what is my equation 1 here? F dash of z is equal to dou u by dou r plus I into dou v by dou r, okay, and into 1 divided by e to the power I theta, extra multiplication. Therefore 1 by e to the power I theta into dou u by dou r is minus 2 by r cube into cos 2 theta plus I into 2 by r cube sin 2 theta. In this, but f dash of z is a function of z and here it is a function of r and theta. Therefore, by Milne-Thomson method, let us put r equal to z and theta equal to 0. F dash of z will become then 1 divided by e to the power 0 minus 2 by r cube into cos 0 plus I into 2 by z cube. I will write z cube into sin 0, but sin 0 is 0. Therefore, my f dash of z is nothing but 1 by e to the power I theta is I 0 is 1. Therefore, it is minus 2 by z cube will remain. Okay, it is nothing but minus 2 by z cube is f dash of z. Then to find out f of z on integration, f of z is equal to minus 2 integration of z to the power minus 3 dz, which is nothing but minus 2 into z to the power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 plus c. Therefore, f of z will become minus 2 z to the power minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus c. Therefore, this will cancel. My f of z will remain then 1 divided by z square plus c is the required analytic function. Correct? If you substitute here z is equal to r into e to the power I theta and expand this, you will get u plus v is equal to the same what they have given. Like this, some more examples I am going to solve in my next videos depending on this harmonic functions. If you not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my next videos. Like this video, comment and also share this video. Thank you friends.